Great, now we are going to rework this GetMapping method because we don't want to return a string. We want something like response entity because we want an HTTP status, and we are going to use return a response entity student. Great. Now there's this issue, student controller call is present, optional is empty, and so on. This is a problem because in this code we are going to use .get.toString, but this could be a problem because we can have an exception. And how we can change this? We can create an optional student. We can create an optional student. We can say student service dot get student by ID, and then we can use this ID, and here there will be a piece of code which is student.isPresent. Now that we are using student.isPresent, we are sure that we have a student element, so we can say return student.get, and we can even of course we don't have a student as a return type, but we have a response entity, so we have to create an entity. So we can go with response status dot response entity. We have response entity dot okay, and here we can say student dot get, and we are ready with this student. You can then write else. If we are here, it means that we have a student. If we are inside the else branch, we don't have a student, so we are going with return response entity dot not found dot build. And now we are ready to test our get method. Let's take a look at this suggestion by Eclipse. If you're using Eclipse, if you're using IntelliJ, it will automatically give you some suggestion. And when you see something highlighted in yellow, you can point right the position. Click on this replace optional presence condition with functional style expression. This is great. This is the new way to condense your code, and I think it's great. I mean, it's quite readable. Student.map response entity okay, or else do this lambda function, which is response entity not found.build. Now let's run this application. We can click on school manager, we can click on postman. I don't remember what we have on the beaver, but I think we have some data inside it. Great, we have this get method. Let's try with the beaver restarting. We can go with 153. I don't remember what we have from the last tutorial, but this is great. 153. We have 404 not found. This is because we missed the ID. So if you write something like 200 not found, this is great because we don't have an error 500 internal server error, but we have not found. This is readable. You will know that you didn't find the student that you are looking for. Now let's open the beaver. We have 200 Joe Smith. Now if you write 200 and then click send, 200 Joe Smith, this is great. Now we have something more readable. Even if you found something, it's like before, you have your student. If you write something wrong, you don't find the student, it will be 404 not found.